the last few weeks, the Woodpeckers shop has been running on a small crew. But work has started on the number 94 dual beam Scribe. So let's take a behind the scenes look and see how the tool is milled out of solid blocks of aluminum at one of our state-of-the-art CNC milling machines. The three-step milling process starts with shaping the solid blocks of aluminum. In the second operation, the ends of the tool are milled and drilled, then checked for tolerance within the CNC mill. In the third operation, the other sides of the tool are milled and the edges are finely chamfered with an edge breaker to give the tool a nice feel and uniform look. After the milling cycle is complete, the aluminum chips and residual coolant is blown off. And the parts exit the machine. Finally, the finished parts are inspected and checked for accuracy by the machine operator. We're continuing to mill the number 94 dual beam Scribe, and they will soon move on to the next steps in production, so stay tuned for more OneTIME Tool production updates.